5 trips, $250,000.
That's tricking good.
Nigga, you tricking to a jet. And all that shit for just for you to take a picture in front of that bitch for Instagram. Only way you get that bitch to take a picture on Instagram. Instagram and fuck everybody up, man.
My team gonna hate me. I'm driving everywhere. One Instagram picture, 50,000.
One Instagram picture, 50,000.
1,000 likes.
Bitch, I be on Delta in front. I'm telling that bitch, I'm the highest member at Delta. Just think, from Miami to California, that bitch probably 800 first class. I'm platinum Delta. From just think the difference. I'm gonna show you the difference, Shane. First class Delta from Atlanta to Miami, mean from San Diego to Miami, probably at the most 800-900. 50,000 on the jet. Then most of the bitches might not even have a good TV sometimes. You gotta get them big bitch. And the bigger you get, the more expensive it is. You get that 20 pounder, that bitch probably 100 from coast to coast. Real shit.
Man, shit. Bitch, you had to put me on first class, nigga. I probably stayed on live till the plane took off. What?
I ain't talking, I'm talking some real shit, man. That shit high.